Hello friends, myself Assistant Professor D.S. Kamble, Department of Commerce. Today we see the topic of cost accounting. First we see meaning of cost accounting. Costing signifies the technique and process of ascertaining cost. Costing can be carried out by the process of arithmetic by means of memorandum statement or by the methods of integral accounts. Cost accounting is the statement or process of accounting for cost which begins with the recording of income and expenditure and ends with the preparation of periodical statements and reports for ascertainment and controlling cost. The recording and accounting for the elements of cost, material, labor and expenses, both direct and indirect, find their treatment in cost accounting. All these costs incurred from the very beginning of manufacturing operations till the final stage of disposal of goods find their recording and accounting in cost accounting. Cost accounting consists of the methods and procedure applied to ascertain actual cost for the products manufactured, services rendered or function performed. In the other words of Kohler, cost accounting is the branch of accounting dealing with classification, recording, allocation, summarization and reporting of current and prospective cost. Following are some of the definitions. First, the process of ascertain cost from the point at which expenditure is incurred or committed to the establishment of its ultimate relationship with cost centers and cost units. It included the preparation of statistical data, the application of cost control methods, and the ascertaining of the profitability of activities carried out or planned. The provision of such analysis and classification of expenditure as will enable the total cost of any particular units of production to be ascertained with a reasonable degree of accuracy and at the same time to disclose exactly how such cost is constituted. And cost account is a set of procedure for determining the cost of product and various activities involved in its manufacture and sales and for planning and measuring performance. One of the authors summarizing the nature of cost accounting as analyzing, recording, standard forecasting, comparing, reporting and recommending. It is a business of cost accounting to fill the role of historical news agent and prohibited. Cost accounting is the formal mechanism by means of which cost of products or service are ascertained and controlled in a business undertaking for different purpose. It is an integral part of overall accounting system which provides the necessary information required to improve the managerial qualities. The management is interested in knowing not only the total cost of each unit produced, but it must know the value of material used, the wages paid and other expenses incurred in the production of each unit, and that too at various stages of production, so as to enable the management to control and reduce the cost of production. The cost accounting serves this purpose. The cost accounting is a quantitative method that collects, classifies, summarizes, and interprets information of product costing, operation, planning and control, and decision making. And last definition, cost accounting is an orderly process of using the principles of general accounting to record the cost accounting of cost operating a business in such a manner that with the data of production and sales. The accounts may be used by management to ascertain production and distribution cost, both per unit and in a total of one or all products manufactured or service rendered, and the cost of various other functions of the business for the purpose of securing economical, efficient and profitable operation. कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंगचा मराठीत नेमका काय अर्थ येतो बघा. कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग म्हणजे वस्तूच्या उत्पादनासाठी येणारा खर्च. आपल्याला कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग मध्ये काय करायचं असतं, नेमका खर्च किती आलेला हे आपल्याला शोधायचं असतं. आणि आलेला खर्च, वस्तू उत्पादनासाठी आलेला खर्च आणि त्यानंतर मग वस्तूची झालेली विक्री आणि त्यातून मिळालेला नफा, ह्याचा अनालिसिस कशामध्ये केलं जातं, कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग मध्ये. म्हणून ह्या विविध व्याख्यांशामध्ये आपण थोडक्यात जर या सगळ्या व्याख्यांचा जर गोषवारा जर आपण पाहिला तर काय तर बघा ह्याची व्याख्या नेमकी. तर कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय, तर पहिल्यांदा त्याचं क्वांटिटिव्ह मेथड, एक प्रकारची क्वांटिटिव्ह मेथड्स आहे. त्यामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे येणारे खर्च, त्याचं वर्गीकरण, त्यानंतर सगळे खर्च हे इंटरप्रेट करणे, प्रोडक्ट कॉस्टिंग जे असते त्याच्याविषयी इन्फॉर्मेशन गोळा करणे, माहिती गोळा करणे, ऑपरेशनल जे विविध उत्पादनासाठी येणारे जे खर्च असतात त्याप्रमाणे जे नियमित खर्च असतात त्याचं असणारं प्लॅनिंग, नियोजन असेल किंवा त्यावर ठेवण्यात जाणारं नियंत्रण असेल, आणि मग घेतले जाणारे डिसिजन मेकिंग, निर्णय असतील, ह्या सर्व बाबींचा, सर्वसमावेश बाबींचा उल्लेख हा कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग मध्ये केला जातो. आता ह्याचं नेमकं स्वरूप काय आहे बघा, नेचर. It is a science because it includes a systematic knowledge which the cost accountant must use while discharging his duties and responsibilities. The cost accountant is required to use his ability and skill in the application of his cost accountancy knowledge to the conditions and the problems he is dealing with. In this sense, cost accounting is an art. Cost accountancy is a practice in the sense that cost accountant is required to make continuous efforts for presentation of necessary data to enable the management to improve efficiency and avoid wastage, etc. It is the branch of accounting dealing with classification, recording, allocation, summarization and reporting of current and prospective cost. Making use of cost data for cost control, price fixation, increase in profits. It is the purpose of cost auditing is not only to ensure that the costing books are arithmetically accurate, but also to see that the principles rules have been applied correctly. याचं नेमकं स्वरूप काय बघा, तर ह्याच्यामधून आपल्याला एक प्रकारचं वस्तूच्या उत्पन्नासाठी येणारा नेमका खर्च किती आहे याचं ज्ञान मिळतं. तसेच आपल्याला आपल्या कार्याची इफिशियन्सी वाढवता येते किंवा त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला सुधारणा करता येते. खर्च आपल्याला टाळता येतात. अनावश्यक जे खर्च होतात व्यवसायामध्ये ते आपल्याला टाळता येतात. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला पॉलिसी आखता येते. आपल्याला एक चांगलं धोरण आपल्याला या माध्यमातून आपण आखू शकतो. वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे अगदी क्वालिटेटिव्ह निर्णय आपण या माध्यमातून घेऊ शकतो कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंगमुळे. त्याच्यानंतर योग्य प्रकारचं आपण काय करू शकतो, नियोजन करू शकतो. आणि या सर्व गोष्टी करत असताना एकूण उत्पादन, थोडक्यात काय याचं वस्तूचं असणारं उत्पादन आणि त्याला येणारा खर्च आणि मिळणारा नफा, ह्या सर्व गोष्टी कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंगमध्ये समाविष्ट असतात किंवा होत असतात. धन्यवाद.